Well, hello everyone. Todd Burghardt here, managing broker owner, Team Advantage Plus Realty. We are doing the very first open house since COVID-19. Just kind of want to show you what we're doing. Maybe you have some better suggestions, but social distancing is a must. Face masks are a must. But basically, I have restricted access to the property. So there's only one entrance. If you can see, here's the front entrance of the house. I've got a little stop sign there. It says please check in required. I just want to be able to monitor who's coming in and out and where. I also set up some social distancing markers, I guess. So I've got a check-in table there. You can't see it because it's in front of me and behind you. But I've set up can you see it? In the carport behind me there's a table that has, all the information. I've got social distance markers here every 7 feet. I know 6 feet's minimum, but why not be extra careful? I've got tons of hand sanitizer, and for my clients or my potential guests, got a clipboard. I've got a disclosure on here about the social distancing guidelines and stuff. I have them initial that along with get their general information. And a flyer. And then what I do every time someone's done is I use some Clorox disinfecting wipes and I clean the clipboards. So I have two, but I'm only letting one group in at a time. So we're just starting. I already had one group come in early about a half hour ago. I already got an application for the rental. So if you're doing open houses, I'd love to hear how you're doing them. Maybe I can make mine even better. So again, it's Todd Burghardt, Team Advantage Plus Realty. What a fantastically beautiful day it is today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay masked.